Hey, what's up? I'm Tarek here. This is A4Tech FB35C, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless mouse. Has the feature of Type-C rechargeable lithium battery. It is suitable for PC, Mac, iOS and Android. So let's unbox. So on the box, it comes with the mouse, 2.4 GHz USB, Type-C cable and the product manual. Let's talk about the specifications. It can be connected with the Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz USB with a maximum of 3 devices, has the optical sensor and can connect it to your device from 5 to 10 meter distance. It has a reboot rate of 125 Hz and the DPI is adjustable with a minimum 1200 to maximum 2400. It comes with the 6 buttons. If you are a left-hander, please avoid it. It is a right-handed and kinda ergonomic mouse, and it is suitable for any system like Windows, Mac, Chrome operating system, and Android. And they're talking about the Type-C rechargeable battery. It is a rechargeable battery which you don't need to change often. So they are claiming it is environmental friendly. So in the conclusion, I can definitely say the top features are dual mode technology, which is Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz, two thumb side buttons with the multifunction setting, USB Type-C, charging cable. You can switch up through 3 devices easily, and it has a power on off button, rechargeable battery, and up to 2400 dpi, and which is also adjustable. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, do comment below and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.